Welcome to another edition of RamZland. Today we're going to synthesize aluminum oxide. That's burning aluminum in an oxygen-rich flask. Check this out. All you need for this reaction is some hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate to catalyze it, a torch to heat up your aluminum inside your flask. Here we go. Okay, start out by pouring some hydrogen peroxide into your flask, and then catalyze it with a little bit of potassium permanganate. This will release oxygen, and when your flask fills up with oxygen, just cover it with something so it stays in there. Okay, for this next step, you want to heat up your aluminum until it catches on fire, or just until it becomes molten. That looks good. And then we're going to lower it into the oxygen. You ready? Wow, look how bright that is. That is amazing. Check that out. Very bright. Synthesizing aluminum oxide in RamZland.